to that old Cape Breton shore. Then put me on a slow boat bound for Newfane, and let the Newfie bullet run once more. The first time that I left home on the bullet, and my mama cried because I had to go. I just love the sound of trains and old train whistles. So let me ride the bullet for the last train going home. It's a shame, Lord, that some things they never last. Ah, the Carson and the bullet, they now sit in the past. The Carson's dead, but the bullet's still alive. So when I die, let her ride one more time. The first time that I left home on the bullet, and my mama cried because I had to go. I just love the sound of trains and old train whistles. So let me ride the bullet for the last train going home. Yes, let me ride the bullet for the last train going home.